got our hands dirty, feet wet, nature play date.
I think it's a horse.
We do this outdoor play date every month in our Nature Explore space. We have lots of kids and families come. They get to explore trees, go over logs, climb on top of boulders, and make a bird's nest out of natural materials, just like a bird would.
I need some dirt in here. Okay? Thank you.
They can make forts out of some cloth and scarves.
So you can put this stick in here, and this in there, and this little corner right there, so that it can make a little fort.
All sorts of just fun activities to use your imagination and have fun.
Really enjoyed it, and we'll definitely be back.